Hello, hello. Look at this revolutionary cleaning process to remove and clean the highest quality Oriental rug, area rug, Persian rug available in the market. We clean Oriental rug from dog and cat urine odor, providing 100% guarantee in writing. Total urine odor removal. Never color on, no fuzziness, because we never use the carpet cleaner equipment such as enzyme or deodorizer. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Visit YouTube PetPeePee and see the whole video how we clean it the right way.